back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. In this video, I am doing a recipe spread. I know I said every Friday in December I was doing Christmas recipes, but now that Christmas was over and it's about to be New Year's, I'm going to do a recipe for something that my family makes every New Year's. It's a tradition of ours, and I'm pretty sure it's a tradition for a lot of people to eat cabbage on New Year's. It's just something that people do, but we make cabbage rolls. And I got online and found a picture of a cabbage roll that looks close to what ours looks like. And then I just wrote down our recipe. This is the way we make them. I'm sure that there are other ways out there and other recipes out there and other ways that other people do them, but I'm doing the recipe for how we make them. And I have some sticker books here, the recipe sticker books and a food sticker book to get some cabbage stickers out of, and probably some box stickers and whatnot. So with that being said, I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to pick what color. Probably just green. So I'm going to take this Pentel Touch pen and I'm going to write cabbage rolls at the top. Okay. Now, I'll grab my Micron .05 that I always use for recipes. I have no idea how many it serves. I'm just going to write 6. Main ingredients: cabbage and sauerkraut. Difficulty, I think it's pretty easy. I'm going to give it a 2. Prep time, oh man, I have no idea. 30 minutes. Cook time, we cook these for a long time. I'm going to say 12 hours. Temperature, medium, low. Okay. So let's see, how many ingredients are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ingredients. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I think I'm gonna use these little flags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there's plenty. And I think I'm gonna turn them like this way. So I got all those spots for the ingredients. Now I'm going to write the ingredients next to these flags. So I got all of the ingredients written down and all this written down. So now I need to write down the steps that it takes. There aren't very many steps. I think I can make it work here. So there are some double box stickers in here that say grocery list on them. There are rose gold ones. I'm going to look in this colorful boxes sticker book. I always forget about my Happy Planner stickers. Okay. So there is this green double box. This says eat more wholesome foods. I'm gonna put that right there. I really like this sticker. It says happiness is homemade. I want to put that right here over top of where it says preparation. Okay, so since I put that sticker here, I'm going to find another box sticker. Okay, I don't want to lose space to write, so I'm going to put this full box sticker here, and I'm going to turn it that way. And then I'm going to layer this one here. Okay. I'm going to start writing instructions in these boxes and see how far I get, like how much. I think that's all of the instructions. I got it in those two boxes. So now I'm going to put my picture down. I've got a little bit of another picture. Whenever I print my pictures, I print them on 4x6 photo paper, but I take 4 pictures and put them into like a collage. It's like a square grid collage. So they're evenly put, you can evenly put 4 photos on a 4x6 photo paper, and you got to cut them out. And whenever you cut them out, they fit. They're this size right here. Each picture is this size. And the idea is to make them fit inside of a big vertical planner so I can memory plan with them. But I can also, I mean, this size is perfect for my recipe planning, or recipe pages. So anyway, I'll take my glue and glue the picture down. Okay. Now I can decorate. So there are, let's see. This says dinner party. I'm gonna put it, can I fit it right there? No. I'm gonna put it down here in the bottom. Okay. These kind of look like cabbage leaves. I'll put one of these smaller ones up here. This kind of looks like cabbage. Okay. I don't want to use one of those big eggs. I'm going to grab a tomato though, because it has tomato juice in it. And we got, oops, a mixing spoon. We got to mix stuff together. This says 1 pot meal. Put that right there. Put this little stove down there. There's some eggs. And what else do we got in here? I'm gonna take us love this and put right there. Yum. Put this large pot. We definitely need the large pot for this. And I'll put a few more. Or maybe just one. Okay, so that's it. That is my recipe spread. I got a little piece hanging off here for cabbage rolls. I don't know about anybody else, but we make these every year for New Year's. I guess it's just like a superstition or whatever. Like each ingredient is supposed to mean something, like health, wealth, happiness, you know, whatever. And then you put like an all silver dime or quarter or nickel or something. It has to be silver, and you put it inside the pot with the sauerkraut while you're making them. And that's supposed to bring you money too. So I don't know. It's a superstition. It's been around for years and years and years and years. And we make it every single New Year's Eve and eat it New Year's Day. So, like I said, this is my recipe spread for cabbage rolls. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please hit the like button. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I hope to see you guys all in the next video. Bye.